and one of these ones. Come on and see this pumpkin seed in here. Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the pumpkin so far. As you can see there you go. There's another one here. This is the pumpkin which inside the wall or the concrete. Right, my pumpkin is looking very nice, growing here. So I just pour it in there. Just get more soil and pour it in here. My pumpkins. I'm gonna pour some more soil inside that. Let it stay like that. So I'm gonna just spread it like this. When it's grow up more, and I put more soil in it. So this brick here. Just gonna put more soil around, and then I show you. And here we go. That one. There's another one, and I'm gonna plant some tomato as well inside. So this is a pumpkin. After 5 weeks now, or less than 5 weeks. So you can see they're nice and fresh here, looking good. All I'm gonna do is add some more soil inside of there as they grow and remove some of these leaves. Sunlight go in there as well. Oh, there it is.